Hi beauties, welcome back to the channel. This is Pryzlex Clin Makeover, your one-top beauty plug. It's been a while here, you may wonder. I know, right? Your baby girl beauty queen has been busy with other personal stuff. Honestly, it hasn't been easy combining work and personal life, especially for a beautypreneur, entrepreneur mom of three like me. Showing up here, if not for your support, has not been easy. But I'm back now. Like, it's been like 2 weeks, right? I'm back, and I'm back with a banger. So if this is your first time of seeing my video, thanks for joining us. Please like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also do not forget to hit the notification bell for more beauty tutorial videos like this. And to my old patient subscribers, you guys already know I love you. So without much further ado, let's jump right into it. So this is my client. She's going for a night party, so she booked me very late at night, and I had to rush to my studio because it's very close to my house. And then I have just carved her brows, and from the studio you can see we don't have light, so I was just using only my LED light to shoot this work. So I have just carved her brows, and here I am using my micellar water and a face wipe to clean her face thoroughly. After that, I use my rechargeable hand fan to dry the face. Yeah, because every skin prep product you apply must be dry before you apply the next one. So right here, I have just applied my Dr. Rachel serum. This vitamin C serum is the best for me. Like, if you know me before now, you know that I love this vitamin C serum. So I just applied it all over the face, especially under the eye, to illuminate and hydrate it. And then I'm applying my salt cream moisturizer all over the face, especially under the eye. Then after that, I use my cotton bud to dust off dirt from her tear dot areas. This is very important because it will ruin your makeup if you don't do that. Next thing I'm doing here is to use my Adventure Sweat Block to apply on her T-zone area because she's an oily skin person. I did that on every areas that she normally sweats. Then I use my mattifying primer from Rimmel Cosmetics to also apply all over the face. After that, I'm going to be using these 2 shades of View Beauty foundation, mix them together to apply on her face to get her skin shade. Yeah, it may appear a little bit lighter than her skin, but trust the process. This is her right skin, and remember, we are shooting this makeup in the night. So right here, I just did her contour. For her cheek contour, I use my Chocolatepie View Beauty foundation. I apply that underneath her cheekbone and then work my way up to the forehead, blend that seamlessly, and then move over to blush application. For my blush, I'll be using my red Avour lip stain to do the cream blush, and I'll be applying that directly on her cheekbone and work my way up to the contour area. After that, I apply a little bit on the tip of her nose, blend that well, and then move over to highlight. For my highlight, I'll be using the Spotless Pro Concealer on her jaw, under the eye, forehead, bridge of the nose, and cupid bow. These 5 areas are very much important when doing your makeup highlight. Then I apply the lightest shade on the inner corners of the eye and then blend light-handedly well. After that, I'm doing my nose contour. For my nose contour, I'm still using the same shade I used for my cheek contour, my Chocolate Beauty foundation. Then I use my flat brush to map out the nose contour, then blend that in with my beauty sponge, and then re-highlight the under eye so that it will pop out well, because after the nose contour, obviously that area dimmed, so I have to make it pop out by applying the lightest pro concealer I use on the inner corners of the eye. And as you can see in the video, is popping out already. Then I will blend that and then fix the makeup by spraying my hydrating spray and allow my skin work to sink in properly and the spray to dry. And then after that, I will be using my Bicham powder palette in shades that matches with my highlight to bake my highlighted areas, as you can see in the video. So after baking my highlighted areas seamlessly with the right shades that matches, what next thing I'll be doing is to bake my nose contour using this shade of powder that matches. And then after baking the nose contour very well, I will also powder the rest of the face and then set the makeup, my highlighted area, very well. For my setting powder, I am using my RCMA setting powder to set the highlighted areas properly, as you are seeing in this video. Then I will do my reverse contour. For my reverse contour, you can see from the video how I am doing it. I do the nose reverse contour and the cheek reverse contour, and then making sure that I have succeeded in taming the creasing from the cream products I have applied. So for the reverse contour, you do it as I am doing it if you want to get it right. This helps to lift your contours up. And then I move over to eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I am using Glam white eyeshadow primer to prime the eyelid, and then I use my blending brush for that. This blending brush is my go-to. It's very smooth in applying eyeshadow primer, so I apply it on the both eyelid and blend it very well. Emphasis on blending very well, because if you don't do it, your eyeshadow is going to be creasing. So after that, I use a soft brown eyeshadow powder that matches with the contour and apply on my transition area, and then use a darker brown powder and mix it a little bit black to get that shade I wanted for my contour area. And then I'm using the pink to match with her dress to highlight the inner corners of the eyelid, as you can see from the video. So after that, I am going to be blending it very well to remove demarcations or harsh lines. As you can see, I am blending it very well. So if you want to get your eyeshadow look right, make sure you blend and blend and blend. Don't stop blending until nobody can spot the demarcation in between. Then after that, I am using my got2b hair wash to arrange and press down the brow hairs and to make sure that it is properly laid down. So this will help me tame and control the brow hairs well. After that, I will use the remaining setting powder on my beauty sponge to damp out oil to avoid creasing from the brows. And then after that, I will outline the brows. For that, I'll be mixing my black and brown Million Pauline gel liner together to get her skin, and then I will outline the brows well. So you can see how I am outlining the brows from the inner corner of the eye to the outer corner, and then give it a sharp arc at the top, and do the same thing with the other brows. After that, I will make sure I fill it in a natural way, and then use my Davis eye pencil in the shade of 4 to fill and then stroke the brows to make it look natural, just as I am doing here. So this is very vital if you don't want your brows to look so thick. Then I will use my Spotless Pro Concealer, the shade that I use for the inner corners of the eyes, to highlight and conceal the brows, as you can see. Then after concealing, I will blend that in evenly and make sure to remove harsh line in between the brows and the eyeshadow I have applied. And then after that, I will do the same thing on the other eyes, and then move over to filling the waterline and to line the eyelid. For that, I'll be using my black Million Pauline gel liner to fill and to outline the eyelid, and then I apply mascara, thin layers of eye mascara, and then apply my eyelashes onto the eyes to add volume. This is a false lash actually. And then dust off the setting powders on the lip areas so that I can apply the lip stain. For her lip stain, I'm going to be using these 3 shades of Avour lip stain. Avour is my go-to lip stain. Anytime, any day, I'm up for Avour. They are doing a wonderful job with their lip stain. So I apply this orange color shade first, and then use my baby pink lip stain to highlight it more before outlining it with a coffee brown shade. If you have watched up to this extent, kindly like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and drop me your support. Show me love, your favorite emoji. Say anything. Would you be trying this look? How do you see the look so far? So here I am using the coffee shade to outline the lip. As you can see, it's giving, it's popping, right? Avour lip stain is my favorite anytime, any day. So I will just outline the lip, give it that V look, because she already has the natural V shape. And so I am following the natural V shape she has to outline the lip, and then outline both the upper and the lower lips. After that, I will blend that in with my lip blending brush, and then make sure that I will not leave any harsh line or demarcation in between the lip. The lip needs to be seamlessly and well blended. So like I said earlier, she's going for a night party. That is why we are doing this makeup in the night, and I believe you are seeing the transformation, how it is going from bare to beauty. And so right here I'm applying also the baby pink I applied before because it's still not popping. I want that lip to have that kind of popping nude shade, so I use the baby pink again to blend in to see if it is going to give me the shade I am aiming at. Please, if you are interested in seeing how I achieve her Bantu hairstyle, kindly check my previous videos and you will see them. It's very detailed from scratch hair tutorial. And as the accessory queen that I am, I had to go extra and then accessorize her hair like this because she's going for a party, like a hot night party. So I have just done her make lip, and here I am doing her finishing with my melanin powder. This powder is my go-to when it comes to finishing my work because it gives it that flawless look. So after that, I spread the face and then allow it to sink in and move over to applying the glow highlighter on my highlighted areas. So for the glow, I am using my Candid Glow by Nyanga Beauty. Their glow is very okay, so I am using it on the highlighted areas that I want to pop, like the jaw, the forehead, brow arc, and the bridge of the nose and the cheekbone. So these areas that I want it to pop are the areas I applied it. And then I applied lip gloss because like say night party, she must glow. My client must glow at every corner. You must notice her. So I made sure that the look was catchy and popping. And voila, this is the final look, guys. My client ate and left no crumb. Like the look is giving and she loved every bit of it. And so she paid well, and I love me client that pays and after paying they tip me. So guys, how do you think about this look? Would you be trying it? How did I do? Rate the look and the hairstyle on the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and also show some love. Bye guys, and see you in my next one.